Hello everyone! This is the 8th day of our Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour of Sicily that covers the whole island in 13 days, and we are experiencing, as always, the wonderful, exciting ride by Fiat 500. Fiat 500, the iconic vehicle from the 1960s, 70s, that represents our pride, the pride of the Italian automotive industry. So this is one of the easiest engines in the history of the automotive industry. It's only 500 liters, so a very small displacement, but it's also a very powerful engine. This vehicle is considered a sort of prototype of the modern city cars, but consider that over the 1960s, Italian families, and when I say families, I don't mean two people, I mean 5-6 people, used to drive together, travel together in the country. Sometimes they move to the north of Italy, sometimes they move abroad. And of course it's the best and the easiest way to drive around the narrow streets in Modica. Modica is a beautiful UNESCO site, and its historic center consists of very beautiful narrow streets. You can drive with normal vehicles, modern vehicles. The only way is by Fiat 500. The ride by Fiat 500 offers the opportunity to visit some beautiful highlights in Modica. Did you like it?
Oh, it was wonderful.
This is the most boring part of the tour.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine the rest.
I'm fitting that in my suitcase. Goes with my orange suitcase.
So cute.
Great.
Oh, shoot.
So how is it?
It was awesome. Awesome. It brought back memories. My first car was an MG Midget.
So guys, did you enjoy the Fiat 500 so far? What do you think? And the best has to come.
Those are not no real fruit.
And this is one of our most beautiful viewpoints in Sicily. Look at that, the ancient Modica behind me.
Now I'm gonna go closer. Not too close.
Thank you so much.
Ciao!
Hello, ciao.
Ready for the roller coaster?
I'm ready for the roller coaster. See.
Rita, are you ready for the roller coaster?
Yes, I'm ready. Ciao.
The Fiat 500 ride in Modica is included in all our small group tours of Sicily. This tour takes place 3 times per year. Feel free to contact us or check the available spots in our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. We still have a few spots in 2027 in the April and May edition. And it's also highly recommended in all our custom private tours of Sicily. So it means you can include this beautiful experience in Modica during your tour of Sicily, your custom per tour of Sicily. So you can ask us to put together a tour including the best locations in Sicily and the best activities, and the Fiat 500 ride in Modica is one of them. From Modica it's all. Thanks for watching. In the next videos you will enjoy the other highlights in our tour of Sicily. So stay tuned. And as always, love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!